Okay, so today we're going to talk about an alternative professional route that you can take. We want you to know your options. So, we're going to be talking about the job no one told you you could do after college. And in today's presentation, we're going to cover the molds of the traditional career path. We're going to talk about the tech industry. We're going to talk about the career of the tech career path. We're going to talk about the tech unicorn, which is UX UI design. We will cover who can become a UX UI designer, how to become a UX UI designer. And at the end, we're just going to have some room for questions. But if you guys have any questions throughout this whole presentation, please drop them in the chat and I'll address them when we get to the end of our presentation, unless it's something that I think it's really important and valuable. So I'll definitely pause. Let me just share my screen. There you go. I didn't share my screen before. Sorry about that. Okay. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. And let's get started. But before, I would like you to know a little bit about me in case you if you were not here or didn't see the last video. Hi, I am Mafe. I am a senior product designer here at Abo Academy. I live in Southern California and I have 5 years of experience in UX UI design. But I have 12 years of design experience as a graphic designer. My background, it's very diverse. I have a bachelor's degree in communication, but I also majored in advertising and video production. So my background, it's very, very diverse. And something that I love about what I do is that I've had the opportunity of shipping countless design products to happy users. But something that it's important for me is also that I am an educator. I really love sharing with others cool UX, UI design tricks, hacks, and so on. So for the past decades, the career path has been predetermined for us, the traditional career path. We have been told that we should go to school, right, for 4 to 5 years, and then we're going to get a degree. And this degree, it's going to be the magic key that it's going to open the doors for landing our entry-level job. After we get this first job, we're going to start climbing the corporate ladder. And by the time we are, 60, 70, we are going to retire in Florida. And we are going to basically, be done. So that is what we've been told. But what if we told you that there is another path that no one is telling you about until now? So this alternative route, this other career path, allows you to spend less than a year learning the basic principles and the foundations, and then you get certified. But by the point that you are already certified, you are going to have real-world experience. Unlike sometimes when we go to the traditional school, we just go to school and after the degree, we get some experience. In this career path, usually you get some experience before your certification. Once you have your certification, you're ready to land your entry-level job with an average salary of $85K per year. You will get the chance to work in exciting projects and solve important problems. You are going to get to shape the future instead of waiting the future to happen for you. And if you are like me and you love to keep evolving, this is a great field to keep learning and to keep growing. This is a field that is ever evolving. So what is this exciting and mysterious path that we're talking about? It's none other than the tech industry. Welcome to the tech industry. However, I want you to know that the tech industry, it's not just Facebook or Apple or these big tech corporations that you've heard about, Twitter, now X. No, there is a lot more. Tech is absolutely everywhere. Tech is it's a transversal industry, and it's basically touching upon all the other sectors. I was very surprised, and yet at the same time not surprised, when I saw for the first time the ad of Colgate's smart toothbrush. So this is a very interesting toothbrush because it's going to pair with an application, and it's going to tell you how well you're brushing your teeth. It's going to help you build routines. It's going to help you maintain a great oral health, right? So if technology is able to go and participate in something as mundane as brushing your teeth, believe me when I tell you that tech is everywhere. And sooner rather than later, tech, it's going to be touching every single point of your life. So, unlike the traditional career path, the tech career path offers us the fact, or the main paradigm is that experience, it's more important than any degree. This is a field where you get the opportunity to let your ideas shine. This is awesome because if you're someone who likes to participate and work with others in creating the future, this is a spectacular field for you. Also, the tech career path goes at a supersonic pace because it's always evolving. Like, take a look at 3 years ago, we were not talking about AI as much as we are doing now. So imagine what's going to happen in 3 years. So this industry, it's going at a supersonic pace, which makes us keep learning and keep innovating. And most importantly, if you are a person who is driven by growth, who likes to grow, this is the industry for you. And there's a lot of room to grow, not only in terms of you professionally, but the industry itself, it's growing exponentially. So growth, it's almost guaranteed in this industry. And just so you have like a perspective of how far you can advance or go and grow in the tech industry. For example, tech vice presidents can make up to 552K per year. This is this number was sourced by Glassdoor. If you guys want to check, that is the world we're living in. So down the future, if you keep growing in this path, this could be you tomorrow. So now that, wow, that got exciting. Like, I am not going to lie to you, but $500,000 a year, it's not too shabby. So what kind of tech jobs can you do to get there eventually? So each year, many tech roles are created. As technology expands and permeates other sectors, new roles are created. And there are more than 80 types of roles in which you'll find web app developers, technical support specialists, UX, UI designers, of course, project managers. So there are a wealth of jobs depending on what kind of skills you have and what kind of things you like to do. So, for example, if you're a person who likes structure, who likes to organize things, who likes processes, right? Then, for example, web app development could be for you. Software engineering could be for you. If you like to work with people, organize people, maybe project or product management could be a career path for you. If you like creativity and be in touch with the user and understanding how people work and how they behave, maybe UX UI could be the career path for you. So it's really a matter of what do you like and what skills do you have. But there is one role that is very dear to my heart and here at Avo Academy that we believe it's a pillar to the tech industry, and it's UX UI design.